Viewers, today top international brands are exhibiting in World Trade Center Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So let's go and talk to one of the top brand of this expo.
Hello, I'm Patrick from Sprintray. Sprintray is the fastest 3D printing company in the world. We're only focused on dental. We manufacture splints, we manufacture full arch prosthetics and complete dentures in very short period. We are providing the entire workflow, 3D printing, the materials and everything related to 3D printing. We are very happy to be here as we are looking for distributors, we are looking for dental customers, both dentists and dental laboratories, and we are very happy to be here.